Welcome to our channel on how to use ChatGPT with Blender. Step by step in this video, we'll show you how to harness the power of ChatGPT, an artificial intelligent language model, to enhance your Blender workflow. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, this tutorial will give you the skills you need to take your Blender creations to the next level. So let's dive in. First, you want to go to your computer and open the Blender. So I downloaded the Blender before. So here, open the Blender. By the way, if you don't have Blender, you can go to this site here and click download. Once you click download, you want to click this download Blender, depends on what version of computer you're using. So for me, it's Windows, so I already downloaded it. So I'm gonna go back to my Blender account. Here, you will see here a cube. Over it here, there. This is the cube, the preset cube in the Blender. So we don't want to use this, so we want to delete this one. Right click on that and click delete. The next thing you want to do is go to your ChatGPT. In order for us to use ChatGPT with Blender, we will be using ChatGPT to create a code for us to use in Blender. So for example, let's click in here. Can you please design 10 stars, or let's change this to 10 spheres, 10 spheres in Python for Blender. So once we click on that prompt, we must click on this, and then certainly here is a sample Python script to create 10 sphere in Blender using Python. So ChatGPT will now generate the code for this prompt. So we will be waiting for this to finish, and then the code finishes. The script first setups the scene by deleting an existing object and moving the cursor to the origin. You can run the script within Blender by opening the new text editor windows, copying and pasting the script into it, and clicking run script button. This will create 10 spheres in 3D view. So we will be copying this code here right on the right side. Copy the code. Go back to our Blender. Once we go back to our Blender, it's over on this right side here. You see this type here, the editor type. So we want to click on that. And let's find the text editor. So the text editor is here. The shortcut key for the text editor is Shift 11. So here, click on that. Once you click on this, this will pop out here, the blank space here. So you want to click on text button. Now we have copied the code from the ChatGPT that generated from the ChatGPT from our prompt. So we will gonna click text, click new, and then in here we're gonna paste our code. Once we click on that code, we will want to click on this too. Again, the text tab. By the way, this is the code that we generate earlier with ChatGPT, and we paste it here. So we're gonna click on the text, and then we're gonna click on run script. Once it runs script, this will load here, and then we will wait for this to load. Now we have the sphere here. So what we want to do is go back to our browser, and then we will use it again to generate new shapes in 3D view. So first we're gonna copy this. Can you please design here, let's copy this and then put it in this bar here, and then paste that one, and let's just change these prompts here. Let's say, can you please design 11 cubes in Python for Blender. So we're gonna click enter. Once you click enter, this will generate again the prompt or the code for us to use in the Blender app. Let's wait for it to finish, and then let's repeat the process. Let's copy the code again, go back to our Blender, and then text, and then click new. And once we click new, let's paste our code here. And once you did that, I want to run the script again, and then here you have it. We have the cube here. You can use the full potential of the ChatGPT and Blender together so that you can generate more objects, depends on your ideas or projects, and that's it. That's the step-by-step on how to use ChatGPT using Blender. That's for it for our tutorial on how to use ChatGPT with Blender. I hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.